I've been wanting to do some jumbo braids for a while now, and lucky for me, yes, lucky for me, I found these here on Amazizi for $9. Yes, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho. Yes, for $9. You know me, the queen of deals. Anyways, I then gave myself a little random trim with paper scissors. Yay! Anyways, I gave myself a random trim. I needed to let the ends go. You know what I mean? A little shake, so the hair feels nice. The hair feels good. And now we're getting to the dividing. Is it gonna come out all nice and straight? We're gonna find out. Tune in. No, but I'm hoping it does. I did step on my mirror and break it. Yay for me. But anyways, yeah, so this is the hair. Honestly, I wasn't even sure what the hair was gonna look like, but I am happy with it, to be honest. It's a nice hair. It does, I will put it somewhere. I feel like the hair unravels quickly, so be sure to either burn the ends or soak it in hot water so that it can hold up for you. But yeah, there she is, my little cutie pie. That's for me. That's not for the hair. I am watching you. No, I'm kidding. I don't even know how I stepped on this mirror and literally broke it in pieces. But the whole time I was hoping the pieces didn't land in my eyes. But I also needed to do my hair. So it was a battle of, will I survive? Will I see the next? And anyways, I need to chill out, okay? It was a battle of, honestly, it's will I be able to see tomorrow with my eyes or not? No, I need to stop saying things like that. You're right. I need to chill out. But anyways, here I go. I did 3 pieces at the bottom. I saw some tutorials. Honestly, I used to do some jumbo braids a while back, before COVID. I don't know why I stopped. I did used to love them so much, but they do say do only two at the bottom and then 3 and then 6. Anyways, I usually, well, you don't know, obviously you don't know me if you've never seen me, but I don't follow instructions. a rebel with a cause though, okay? I'm not a rebel just out here. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, I like to be a little creative. This is not creative. I didn't invent jumbo braids. I'm just yapping to fill the air for you. But yeah, if it's annoying, I am so sorry. I'm a little tired, but that's all right. But yeah, anyways, I do want to explain a little bit about this hair though. I feel like I need to stop taking up the space for just random yapping. But so anyways, I did small pieces of hair, and I used about 5 pieces. So does that make sense? I did 5 pieces for one hair, 5 small pieces for each hair, and I just kept adding as I went, as I kept braiding. And the other thing I wanted to say is the hair, if you do want to purchase it, I think it's $11 now, but you could, oh, look at my wisdom. I found a little strand of gray hair on my head. I love that for me. I am aging, okay? I am currently 52. No, I'm kidding. I am only 31. Let's back it up. But I am hoping to look this good at 52. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so the braiding hair, if you do want to purchase it, one of them, you can do at least 3 braids with one. So the hair comes 8 packs, and this is a 24-inch down to my ass. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so it's done. Now we are getting to some of the cool stuff. I didn't have curlers. Honestly, I didn't want to buy them. I was never gonna use them, to be honest, so I just decided to get a little creative this time and use some foil to dip my hair so the ends are curled. And honestly, I wasn't sure how this was gonna come out. It's been a while since I used a foil for curling hair. So I was okay, let's see how this goes. And by the way, I see some people boiling their hair in like a pot while it's still, oh my gosh, why am I talking like that? I see some people boiling their hair, like their ends of their hair, while the pot is still on the stove. Guys, let's not do that, okay? In this little cup itself, I nearly burned myself. Actually, I did not. I'm just exaggerating so you can fear for your life next time you're using this stuff. But I am just warning you. Like, I think a lot of you need to be careful out there, okay? With this hot water, it's nothing to play with, okay? My mother was, I don't know what she was doing when she was young, but she literally burned herself with hot water while she was, I don't know what she was doing. But please, that is a true story. I'm not exaggerating, but please be careful when you're using this hot water to like do your ends of your hair. Does that make sense? Whatever you're doing, cooking, whatever, I feel like just be careful, please. All right. Yeah. So here I go. I was hoping it came out nice and crunchy. Honestly, if you're gonna do this method, and like if you don't have curlers, and if you're gonna use this method, I would suggest like take the foil out immediately. I think I waited about like 30 to 40 minutes before I took it out. And also I was trying to like put it all, like I was trying to also like, oh my gosh, why am I talking like this? Anyways, you see it, you see what I'm doing. I'm trying to also like put the little strands of hair down with this hot towel. But yeah, so this was me probably like 40 minutes later. Don't do what I did. Probably take it out earlier, unless you like how this curls came out. Okay, let's find out. Oh no. Anyways, okay, let me chill out. Look at it. It's just so tiny. She's so tiny. I need to cut the ends. Yes, you're right. It doesn't look bad. So cute. Yeah, that one scared me a little bit because she was just one, and the way she came out, I was like, baby, I don't know what you was doing, but I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But that's all right. I was like, oh, this was me trying to see if everything is even. No, it's not. Well, it's not perfect, and I aim for perfection, not progress. No, I'm kidding. We always aim for what am I saying? Yeah, we always aim for progress, not perfection. But still, I do aim for perfection every time I do anything, to be honest. So this was a little disappointing, but that's all right. I feel like this was me trying to style it. I feel like this was my favorite style. I was headed to work, so I was like, let me put her in a nice little bunny situation. Yeah, she's cute. She is cute. The girl, not the hair. No, I'm kidding. They're both cute. But yeah. And then this was me after 10-hour shift. Yeah. Still slaying. Anyways, I need to calm down. But thank you for tuning in. If you did, love you so much.